Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about a new app which has been launched in the market named as Honk app. So we'll be talking about this app specs and everything in this video. So the first thing is if you're a 90s kid or 2K kids, you might have noticed like any messaging platforms, like if you take any traditional messaging platforms, or else nowadays if you're using some social medias where you send messages with your friends and so the timeline, like how it looks and how it works, everything is just the same. Even it is like traditional app or nowadays like some social medias, WhatsApp, Insta, or any Telegram, like any app you want. So what is the major timeline, like how it looks and everything is same, but what is the thing is they have just made some upgrades, in the sense there is emojis or stickers, then delete messages, like there are some additional features only is added. But on the whole, the basic thing is you can just type a message, you can click an option named as send, and a message will be sent. And if they are in online, they'll just see that message right now and they'll just reply it back. And this is how this full thing works. And now what is the additional feature is added is, suppose if the receiver or the person whom is planning to send you, if they are just typing, then you will be getting like a notification. You can just see whether the person is typing or not, but you can't see like what they are accurately typing, in the sense what is there in your mind, even if they are deleting or any issues, or if there is some network issues, then the message will take some more time to reach. And so this is what the normal thing which is happening right now in our world in this messaging platforms and so. But what we can do now here is this whole thing has been changed with help of this Honk app, where your full conversation is going to be on real time. So this was the base idea of this app is, in the sense like suppose if you're going to have a chat with your friend and so, and if you're going to type something, at the same moment what you're going to type, the receiver, like in the sense your friend can see it at the same time, in the sense no network issues, like not getting any notifications like whether they are typing or not, nothing like that. Just if you're typing, they can just see it. So this is what the base idea of this Honk app is. So I'll be explaining it, how it works and everything here. So basically you can just download this app and install it, and then you have to create a basic profile and so. Then the friend, like the receiver whom you're going to send the messages, should also have this app. And then when you just go online, there will be two bubbles available for you. So two bubbles, in the sense the first bubble in the top will be the messages where your receiver, your friend is going to type, and the bottom is a place where you're going to type. So this is how this app looks basically. So you can do lots of customizations, you can change colors, themes, all those things are available. So basically what you can do is you have to just take that bottom bubble that will be blue in color. So you just have to start typing it. So that's it. So when you just start typing it, your opposite person, the receiver, will just see it and he'll be replying according to the message in his own bubble, so that you can see and you can again type it. So this is what the base idea is. And adding more to it, there is no send option like enter key, nothing is available here. And the maximum number of letters which is available allowed here is 160 letters. So up to that you can do, like you can send messages and all kind of stuff. And adding more to it, here there is an option for refreshing, in the sense there is a double arrow button where when you just click it, all the letters which you have typed in your bubble will be deleted at once. So that's it. So this is a new thing, like a new feature which has been added, and all your conversations will be completely real time. In the sense, suppose if the receiver is not available online, then you can get a notification. You can see that on their name there will be a blue color line, like a circle which will be rounding there. So with that you can come to know whether they are not online. Then you can honk them, in the sense like you can send some notifications, like what we do on nowadays on social medias. You can just honk them by emojis or any text messages and so. Then they'll just come to online in that app. Then you can do your real-time conversation. This is how this full thing works. And adding more to it, suppose if they are not available during those times, you can send messages, and you can also honk them like a spam button, like in the sense you can continuously honk them. So all kinds of those things are available in this app. That's it. So the next thing is we'll add some, I'll be saying some additional features. So here the first feature is there's emojis available here, and all these emojis also will be on real time. And adding more to it, there is a new feature in this emoji itself named as magic words, in the sense where you can assign some text for emojis. So that is quite good. You can keep some emojis as I'm busy, I'll call you later, I'm sorry, like I have some work. You can keep some text, you can just assign it for any emojis you want, and when you just keep that emojis in your bubble, automatically that text will appear for you. In the sense, it will make it quite good and quite unique as well. And adding more to it, there is also an option where you can keep your add photos, like you can on your cameras, you can take photos from galleries and so in a single text itself. Like in the sense, like if you're typing in your bubble and you have to add photos, you can add for it. So those things also has been added here. It is given, like all those things are available as a normal social media platform. What kind of things you do, everything you can do it. So that's it. And adding more to it, the final thing is there is no chat history. In the sense, like it is a conversation between you and the person whom you're going to talk, and everything is going to be completely real time. In the sense, when the person is online only, you can chat to him, or else you can just send a honk. So this is what this full thing works. And adding more to it, there is no chat backups, like keeping your chat for some period of time then delete it. Nothing like that. Just type it now and it will go. In the sense, there is no need of any storage or anything which this app is going to take in your phone. So that is what the base idea, and it's so good as well and so unique. So in the sense, like whatever they are typing, like whatever is there in their mind will just appear there. So that is quite good. And this is what the full thing about this Honk app at source. And finally, it is now currently available only on App Store. That is for iOS users right now. So I'll put the links in the description. You can directly download it and you can start using it. But what is the thing is, this app is developed by LFE, that is Los Felix Engineering, a software developing company and app developing company. So they have developed this app, and they have given a statement that they are currently working on Android version as well. So we can soon expect it to come for Android users. So when it's being launched, I just update the description part with Android link, so you can directly download it and you can good to go. So this is what this full Honk app is, and my personal suggestion is 100% you can use it. It will give you some real-time experience, like how it is, because like nowadays any social media, like what we are doing nowadays, you have some limited amount of time, like where you can think, you can even like see the message and you can keep it as unread. Like there are some additional features is there. In the sense, you may not know like what the person is actually thinking, like what is there in your mind and so. So those things has been not available in nowadays platforms and so. But with the help of this Honk app, you can directly visualize like what is there in your mind will just come in the text. So I'll also add a small precaution here. So whenever you're typing, please be sure, because whatever you're typing will be just available in the receiver part, like whom you're going to type, they can just see it on that second itself. So that is my small precautions here. So be careful. So that's it. So with this, I'll just end this video, and if you have any doubts related to this Honk app, please comment below. I'll pakka reply to it. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.